In April 2018, I asked the question no one dared to ask. What is a gaming chair? Is it a chair from some petrol head's Honda Civic? Is it a fad? It is a phase? Well, I've been sitting in this chair for 14 months now, and I think I'm ready to tell you all about my experience. When you say gaming chair, we're talking about a variety of gaming chairs. For example, when I went to E3, I sat in some gaming chairs that were actually pretty uncomfortable. So if you sat in one, don't think as if you tried them all. Also, the definition of gaming chair creates a prejudice. That's why I think they need to rename these chairs. It should be called something else. Let's find an IKEA name, like balık. Also, you have to get these chairs according to your height and your weight. According to me, this chair is very comfortable. Actually, too comfortable. I call this my cocoon. I've been finding myself sitting in this chair for hours and hours without even moving. That is why I ended up getting this standing desk, so I can get out of my chair and keep on working. Because previously when I had my office chair, I had to get out of that chair every once in a while. I can tell you that it is extremely durable and it almost looks like in its first day condition. This polyurethane leather, the fake leather, is in perfect condition. I've been sitting in this every day for very long hours. I literally cannot see any part of it being worn out except for the armrests a little bit, and that's all. My only problem with this chair is during heat waves, this place becomes close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 37.8 degrees Celsius. When it's that hot in this house, you don't wanna sit in fake or real, any kind of leather chair. But when I carry all these into a studio, I'm guessing and I'm hoping that place is gonna have a central air and this problem is simply gonna go away. But meanwhile, I switched to this. You may have seen this in my massive unboxing video. It is the 2020 version of the same chair with soft weave fabric on it. When SecretLab asked me if I want to review their 2020 version of Titan chairs, I said no because I'm very happy with my chair and it still looks brand new. So they said, yeah, but this is more comfortable and it's more durable. So I'm guessing these chairs will live forever. After sitting in this for 3 weeks, I can say yes, it feels a little more comfortable than the previous version. I don't know how they did it. Actually, I kind of know. The armrests are different, the way they work are different, and now the pillow is memory foam instead of this. So for once, that deflating feeling of memory foam comes in handy because when you lay your head on this, it just deflates accordingly and it doesn't push your head forward. This was pushing my head forward, that's why I was never using it, but this is much more comfortable. I also have this. It is Prime 2.0 PU leather Titan chair and I cannot wait to meet it. And as usual, we're greeted with this note, which is also the guide. Ooh, this is very beautiful in a Batmobile-like way. SecretLab says this PU leather 2.0 on this chair is 4 times more durable than the regular PU leather, and the foam inside is cold cure foam, which is molded and not cut. Apparently that gives this chair the long life it has. Also, if you share a photo of yourself sitting in this chair, you'll get 2 extra year warranty, which adds up to 5-year warranty. You can adjust the arms forward, backwards, you can rotate them, you can bring them inwards, upwards, up, down. The beautiful lumbar support. Of course, if you want it to lean back like this, it does that too. And if you're wondering, yeah, you can PewDiePie with this as well. Well, thank you very much for watching this short but sweet episode. Of course, if you're gonna buy a chair, make sure you try it first. Please hit that subscribe button. I must have a subscribe button somewhere here on the screen. Hit that subscribe button and play Ding Dong Ditch with the bell next to it and join the world domination. Please let me know what you think about these chairs. Are you interested in gaming chairs, or are you a Herman Miller person? Please let me know in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves. And hoşça kalın. They're all mine. All mine.